30-day momentum roadmap, day 4. So today we're going to talk about your first video or reel. Okay, so short, real, valuable. So remember this: people don't remember perfect; they remember personal, helpful, and real. Okay, so when you're creating content, be real. Okay, be helpful, be yourself, be like speak from your heart. Okay, a lot of people when they do online marketing, they don't do that. They're just not themselves. It's not because that it's not their fault. They're just doing the best they can. But like the more real you can be and just like heartfelt and heart centered, and you just like speak from your heart, the better. Because people do business with those that they know, like, and trust, or aspire to be like. And people can't know, like, and trust you if you're being fake with your content. Okay. But it's a process. So you got to understand, guys. Like if you're new to online marketing, digital marketing, or building a business, it's a process. Nobody expects anybody to be perfect on day one, right? You don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. Okay. So let's get into this. Day 4, why video wins. Short form video is an attention machine. Okay. So 80% of people scroll videos first. That's why they open these apps. Videos are the way. Like people love watching videos, whether it's like short videos, reels, whatever. Okay. So realness, show up as you are. Your imperfections make you relatable to the people you're here to serve. Okay. So business owners, all we do is help people solve problems, whether it's the wealth industry, whether you're helping people make money, whether it's the relationship industry, you're helping people with their relationships, or it's the health industry, you're helping people with their health. That's what business owners do. We solve problems. We help people. We serve people. Okay. The more people you help, the more money you're going to make. Relatability. Oh, reliability. Consistent creators get rewarded. You got to be consistent. Okay. Like inside of our business, the business that I do, we teach a 2-hour workday. So we teach like post 3 pieces of content a day. So you got to be consistent with your content, right? Don't post one day and then take a week off, right? Consistency. Okay. Consistent creators get rewarded. The algorithm favors people who show up every day. Okay. Quick value. Teach one thing fast. Give people a reason to follow, share, and come back for more. These platforms reward realness plus reliability plus quick value. Okay. The mental model. Think of every reel as a tiny door into your business. Each one is a 7 second to 60-second video. Second invitation, it's an invitation to connect, relate, or to learn something small but helpful. Okay. Your goal for every video, you want people to say, that's really good. Wow, I never thought about it that way. Wow, who is this person? I like them. I'm going to follow them. Okay. That's what you want your video, your content to do. Okay. Keep it simple. The rules for your first video. Okay. Keep it 7 to 40 seconds. That's all you need. Short wins every time, especially early on. People have a short attention span, so the shorter the better. Okay, in general. Now pick one idea, one tip, one belief, one truth. Don't try to teach everything in one video. Talk to one person. Imagine FaceTiming your best friend or coworker. That tone is exactly right. Okay, like imagine you're just speaking to that one person, your perfect customer. Name your perfect customer. Give them a name. Okay, your perfect customer, whether it's a man or a woman, whatever. Name them. Like, hey, like you're speaking to Brad from California. Okay, give them a name. Visualize that specific person every time you hit record. That person that you want to help. Okay, focus on that person. Like you're just speaking to a friend. Don't worry about fancy transitions, perfect captions, filters, lighting. Just record and post. Okay. Like I know people that have made millions of dollars posting content without being fancy, right? It's not about being fancy. After you make millions of dollars and billions of dollars and stuff, you can start being all fancy, all right? But you don't, it's not necessary. What's important is that you just connect with people by being yourself, by being real, and by offering value, right? Value, which is means education, information, right? Entertainment, things like that. Value, right? Okay. So 5 types of videos that work in any niche. What to post today. Okay. Pick one of these and record it today. Keep it under 40 seconds. One helpful tip. One way I save time while building my business. Dot, dot, dot. Mindset shift. A belief that completely changed how I approach my niche. Well, whatever your niche is. A belief that completely changed how I approached my my health business or my wealth business or whatever, or that changed my way of like making money or my way of, taking care of my health or my way of, approaching my relationships. You understand? So number three, quick routine. My 7-second morning routine that keeps me on track. Just share your routine. What do you do every day? Okay. Number four, why I'm building. Why I chose this to build a business around my life. Why I chose, digital marketing to build a business. Tell people like why you're building, whatever your business is. Okay. Number five, truth bomb. Nobody tells you this when you start making money online. Okay. Works for wealth, health, and relationships. Just swap your niche, whatever. Okay. Nobody tells you this when you start, building an online business. Nobody tells you this when you start building a business online. Nobody tells you this when you start trying to lose weight. Nobody tells you this when, when you enter a new relationship. So whatever your industry is, you can use these truth bombs. Okay. Your video structure. The I'm in business video script. Use this structure if you're not sure what to say. Then reword it in your own voice. Okay. Opening hook, attention grabbing intro that stops the scroll and speaks to a pain or curiosity. Okay. That's your hook. It's the most important part. It's the first 3 seconds of the video is the most important part of the video. So you got to have a nice hook. Okay. Number two, share the struggle, the moment or feeling that led you here. Keep it real and relatable, right? Realization, why your and then include your niche stood out to you. Okay. What made it feel different from everything else? Your current goal, where you're headed, what you're building, and keep it honest. You don't have to be an expert yet. Invitation, invite others to follow your journey or get access to the blueprint you're following, right? So, for example, like my opening hook could be like, do you want to work until the day you die? Or would you rather learn how to make money online from home? Okay. And then my struggle could be like, I started learning digital marketing with an online business because my company cut my pay and I didn't want to get another job. Okay. I was stressed out financially. I didn't want to get another job because I wanted to figure out how to make money outside of a job. Okay. That's my struggle. The realization and what stood out to me, like, so my business model, what stood out to me, what stood out like to me when it came to digital marketing is the fact that you can keep 100% profit, make up to $1,400 per sale, which means you only need 72 customers to make 100K. It made it like compared to everything else I've tried before, it just made sense. The fact that I like a 2-hour workday, I have an automated business, I can make money in my sleep. I have a 2-hour workday. There's community training and support. I keep 100% profit up to 1,400 per sale. It just checked all the right boxes. Okay. And my current goal, like my goal is I want to help 1,000 people make $1 million online. That is my goal. And if you want to follow, like make sure to like if you want to just like follow my journey, just make sure to follow me. And if you want to get access to the blueprint that I'm following to make money online, just go to link in my bio. There you go. That's kind of an example of a video that I could use for my business. And now you can just think about it. How can you use it for your business, right? Okay. So, ooh, it's raining. It's raining. Stop the scroll hooks. Stop the scroll hooks that work. You have 6 seconds. Use these or adapt them to your niche. Okay. So here's a hook. Emotion and curiosity. If you're struggling with ... you're not alone. Here's the one mindset shift that helped me take action. Fill in pain, building a following, losing weight, finding confidence. Okay. Whatever it is. If you're struggling with building a following, then you're not alone. Okay. Lifestyle hook. Let me show you how I'm getting my ... income earning activities done in 2 hours a day. Okay. So if you're not doing income, you can do fitness goal, relationship habits, depending on your niche, right? Curiosity gap. I started my own online business and here's what finally made me go for it. Universal across all niches. Just change business to your focus. Pattern interrupt. I never thought I'd be learning ... but it's not what I expected. Here's why I'm all in. Powerful because it flips their assumption. Burnout hook. If you're burned out and looking for a better way, watch this. Works in every niche. Wealth burnout, health burnout, relationship burnout. Okay. Your call to action. End every video with a CTA, which means call to action. Like, for example, comment ready, and I'll send you the blueprint details. Go to the link in my bio and grab the free guide. Okay. So choose one of these depending on your goal today. Goal, build your following. Follow my journey as I learn how to grow my income using 2 hours a day, short videos, and a step-by-step system starting from zero. Okay. That's if you were doing my business, right? Now, best for brand new accounts, early momentum phase. Now, the next one, the goal is get the blueprint leads. Okay. So if you want to get leads for your business, the goal is get blueprint leads for your business, then this is what you would say for your CTA. Want to see the digital marketing blueprint I'm following? Put yes in the comments and I'll get you the details. Okay. When someone comments yes, reply with like your domain, for the blueprint details, right? You just put your domain .com for blueprint details. You just reply to the comment. Okay. The only thing you market is your link. Everything else is handled automatically after they opt in, right? So that's it. Day 4, we did it. Congrats, you finished day 4. So now it's time to take action. Record your video, record it, post it, don't overthink it. Set up your social media account if you have not done it yet, because you got to post your video on social media. Pick one video type from today's list and record and post a video, 7 to 40-second video. Add your CTA and then share your link in the comments so we can see your video, see what you posted. Okay. So yes, expect to win. You got this. I'll see you on day 5.